Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making bread pudding. The ingredients that we're going to start off with is a sauce that we're going to actually put on top and then bake it, and then we're going to have the bourbon sauce after we take it out of the oven. So we're going to need 3 large eggs, 1 quart milk, 2 cups of sugar, brown and white of course, and of course spices. So that is what we're going to start off with. This is just an overview of all of my ingredients out just to make everything a little bit more clear. I use rum instead of the whiskey bourbon that they suggest, and I just find that the rum actually tastes much better. So we're first going to start off with making that sauce. So we're going to have 1 cup of milk, which is basically 1 quart of milk. Stir in 2 eggs. Make sure it's smooth because you do not want a chunky mix when you're putting it on the already chopped up bread. We're definitely going to put those 2 cups of sugar on in there and add those spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, and then make sure to stir that in really well, because at this point you're going to be wanting to chop your bread, and then after you do that, put on your oven to 350 for about 30 minutes. Don't put the timer on yet because we have not put the bread with the sauce in the oven as of yet. So right, that's what it looks like before, right? Of course, 350 for about 30 minutes. Just keep checking it, make sure it doesn't get burnt. You definitely want it to be crispy. And then we're going to just put that sauce all over the top and wait. Alright, next is the bourbon sauce. This is my favorite because you have a mix of flavors of the rum, but also the butter, and of course the sugar. I mean, it is a sweet dish, so you're gonna love that. And then of course pour it after you've taken it out of the oven once it has been baked for 30 minutes. And that is what it's gonna look like. You can tell it hasn't been soaked in yet. So you just want it to soak in, really glaze over the top, and make it smooth and a slightly crunchy with that sweet, crispy taste. Have it sit for about 10 minutes. I like to eat mine warm, and of course, listen to music while you're baking, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!